everyone! This is Ebony from blankapparel.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these trendy plant hangers with nothing but an old t-shirt and a sharp pair of scissors. First, you're going to lay out your t-shirt on a flat surface. Cut the shirt straight across the front, from under one armpit to the other. Then, cut the rest of the shirt into horizontal strips, about an inch wide. Cut through the seam of each strip and tug both ends to stretch the fabric out. You'll need about 8 strips in total. Lay the strips out in an even line. Gather up the ends and tie them into a knot. Make sure you pull it so it's nice and tight. Pick up the first 2 strips on your left and tie them into a knot, several inches down from the top. Pull the new knot tight. Repeat the process with the other 3 pairs. Now take the inside strip of one pair and knot it with the outside strip of the one right next to it. Do the same with the rest. You'll tie the 2 on the outside together last. Once you have your 4 knots tied, form them into a square, like so. Repeat the knotting process one more time. You should have a diamond shape around the square now. Set your pot plant in the middle of your newly created hanger and gather up the strips above the pot. Pull the loose ends through a ring, then fold the leftover ends down. Take a spare strip of fabric, tie it around the entire bundle, and wrap up the excess like a tassel. Tie off the loose ends. You can finesse the bottom bundle by trimming the ends at an angle with your scissors. Your plant holder is now ready to hang.